What's up guys, Jordan here, and today I'm going to be critiquing your Facebook ads. I'm going to be tearing them to shreds. I'm looking forward to this one. Literally last night I planned this video. I posted on my Instagram story and said I wanted you guys to send me in your Facebook ads, either for your business or for your client's business, and I want to critique them. I want to know what's good, I want to tell you what's bad, and hopefully this is going to be mega valuable for you, any of you who are running Facebook ads for yourself or for your clients right now. Now I haven't done a video like this before. I haven't even looked at these adverts. I think we've got around 12 sent in because it was pretty last minute. I'm going to be scrolling through them on my phone. We're going to completely wing it. But if by the end of this video you have enjoyed it, please do drop me down a comment below, and hopefully we can do another one of these in the future. Maybe you'll even have the chance to get your Facebook ads critiqued. Now, if this is the first video you've ever watched from me, you're wondering why the hell you should care about my opinion on Facebook ads. My name's Jordan Platten. I own Affluent.co, which is a multi-service digital marketing company here in the UK. I've literally generated millions in new revenue for our digital marketing agency clients all over the globe. So that's why you should listen to me. Subtle flex there. That sounded really arrogant. But anyway, I've done this for a long time. It's been 2.5 years now I've been running Facebook ads. It's safe to say I know how to run a profitable advert. And so yeah, I'm looking forward to getting stuck in. But before we do, please do make sure you are subscribed. We literally just hit 100,000 subscribers, which is absolutely phenomenal. Thank you to each and every one of you who's watching my content. Maybe you've been here since day one. Maybe you've just jumped in today. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now, if you are not subscribed and you don't have your notification bell turned on, make sure you turn it on, because I'm going to be celebrating something with this hitting 100K, right? I'm launching something brand new for this channel, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. We're going to have tons of giveaways, and I cannot wait, but I'm not going to announce it in this video. It'll be in a future video. So make sure you subscribe so you know what I am bringing out. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video, and yeah, let's just roll the intro, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so diving straight in, as I said guys, we're going to be using my phone today, and let me just start screen recording so you can see this. I'll chuck this up somewhere on the screen, and let's have a look at these emails. We'll start from the bottom, see how many of these we can get through. So we've got Josh here, and Zero to Motorbike. What is this advert about? Let's have a little look at this video.
You might be
so video advert.
What it actually looks like. We've got our donor bike around the room.
Okay. Okay, I think we're building a motorbike, right? That's interesting. I see course dot. So this is a course for building a motorbike. That's quite cool. That's a niche product. So that's cool, Josh. I don't know whether this is your business or your client's business. But let's have a look through this actual ad copy itself. The video, by the way, is not the highest quality. Just looking at this, I mean, I know it's just an iPhone. You're in some kind of a workshop. I mean, this will do. It doesn't need to be brain science for people to understand that this is building a bike. But apart from that, like, what is this ad copy doing to get people enticed into this course, right? Have you got something fun to do this weekend, question mark? Even though the bad weather is here, do you something different to look forward to? I think that it's meant to be, do you have something different to look forward to? So Josh, you want to change that error there. But the problem is that I'm seeing here, so I'm just looking next month, 6 people in Jersey, blah, blah, blah. If you're thinking of signing up, last course. Okay, now the problem I'm seeing here is that this first subject line does not tell us what it is and what this product actually is. And when these people are flicking through their feed, when you're creating Facebook adverts, people need to understand what it is you're trying to sell straight away. Because we see loads of posts, right? And we don't even know when we're seeing adverts anymore. There's so many of these sponsored posts. It's that first line, it's that first 2 to 5 words which are going to grab somebody's attention and make them actually want to carry on and read your advert. And so this right here, have you got something fun to do this weekend? It's very vague, it's very generic, it doesn't say enough. This needs to explain what we're doing. So, for example, you could change this to something like, build a motorbike this weekend, question mark, right? It's going to be like, what? Build a motorbike. It's not a service you hear about doing. It's an unorthodox subject line. It's enough to grab the attention of the person who's watching or who's seeing that post, enough for them to then read it. So build a motorbike this weekend. That's what I recommend you doing, Josh. By the way, guys, all the advice I'm giving you in this video, it's just my personal opinion. This is no official Facebook-based opinion. This is based on my experience running adverts for our clients. And there are many different ways to create ad copies, long copy, short copy, there are so many different ways. And so don't take everything I'm saying today as gospel. This is my personal advice on what I would do if these were my clients or my ad accounts. So change the subject line, change that attention grabber. And when you are actually writing adverts, this will set the premise for the rest of this video. When you're writing adverts, you want to make sure you have at least 3 of these 5 things in your adverts. The first thing you want is an attention grabber, right? You need to grab the attention within the first 2 to 5 words. That's the first line of your advert. You then want a what. So what is your advert actually about? What is it you're actually selling? Why? So why people should give a shit. Curiosity factor or scarcity. So what this is here is you want to say something which gives somebody is some kind of curiosity. It spikes their ears up. It makes them want to click through and actually look at this product or this service. Or scarcity. So you've got a limited time offer. There's only a certain amount of spaces. Josh, you've got last course on March the 23rd to 24th. There's only 2 places left, right? Okay, so that's scarcity right there. 2 places left is enough for somebody to want to actually go ahead and click through to this. And then finally, the 5th thing we want, and we always want one of these, is a call to action. People love being told what to do. And so it's all well and good talking to them about this amazing product or service, right? But if you don't tell them, click below to sign up, or fill in the form below to send us your details. If you don't tell somebody what to do, the chances are they're probably not going to do it. So we need some kind of call to action. We can see, Josh, you've got click the link below and sign up in less than 30 seconds. Hopefully, hopefully okay the course. Hopefully on the course. So Josh, you're going to want to bring this through like Grammarly or something like that. And also you're going to want to condense this much less. It's a course to teach people how to build motorbikes. Let the landing page do the talking. This ad copy could literally be 5 sentences or 5 lines max, right? You could probably get away with 3 or 4. It's building a motorbike. It's a course which is going to teach people how to do that. There's only 2 places left. Click the link and sign up, right? You want to get people to click it and then look at the landing page, and then they're going to be able to tell what it is they need to do to actually sign up to the course, and you're going to be able to further sell them based on the video you got on there or based on the actual copy you have on your landing page. Sorry, someone is walking past my house extremely close to my house, which is unlike them normally because I don't have a path on this side. Okay, anyway, that's that advert done. I don't want to keep going on. So let's go back and see what else we've got. Josh have sent another one in. I'm not going to look at that one for now. If we've got time, I'll come back to it. Karen, so we have here cash for gold. Karen, you've been following my videos for a while now. And however, okay, let's have a look. Turn your gold jewelry into cash now. Are you feeling the pinch in the current economic climate? Okay, that's that. So straight away, I can tell you're watching my videos, Karen. So you got that attention grabber. Turn your gold jewelry into cash now, right? Straight away. That's an attention grabber. That's perfect. Are you feeling the pinch in the current economic climate? Question mark. Right? There's that curiosity factor. Don't worry, we offer a simple and secure solution for turning your old, unwanted, broken gold into liquid cash. Like that line, that's nice. Click below to get your free gold selling pack. Get cash for gold now. This is a great advert, okay? This is great because it's got the attention grabber. It's got the what. It's very obvious that you can just turn your gold. That attention grabber is also the what. Are you feeling the pinch in the current economic climate? We have the curiosity factor there as well. We have why people need it because they want to get liquid cash, and that call to action. Click below to get your free gold selling pack. Well done. There's nothing I would do to change that. And even the creative itself, you've got gold on one side, cash on the other. It couldn't be simpler than that. So really, really great work. Right, let's have a look at this one. Hisham, what have we got here? You've sent through your Facebook ad library. Let's just make sure we can actually look at this. So what have we got? We've got a number of adverts, rumors, and these are, what are these, like home-based products? We've got like these different shaped vases and stuff. These like hot water beakers or something. What are you still waiting for? Head to Rumors online to shop the latest home trends. What are you still waiting for? What are you still waiting for? What are you still waiting for? Okay, so you've got a lot of adverts here with the exact same attention grabber. What are you still waiting for? I don't think that's anywhere near a strong enough attention grabber, right? That doesn't tell me what these products actually are. I know we have images there, but there's a lot of inconsistencies across all of these different product ranges. And so I would make sure that these ad copies, if you've got a store with loads and loads of different products, you've got a variety of different products. If this is like home-based products and you're selling kind of like these decanters here, you've kind of got these different elaborate looking vases or bowls here. Then we have different glassware here. I would make sure that your attention grab, or at least your text on the actual advert itself, is relevant to the products that you're trying to sell, okay? Because at the minute, this is a little bit lazy. All of them are exactly the same. And I really do not like this image you've got here, this special offer. You want the images to be somewhat consistent across the board. These have got a little bit of text on them. Some of them have got logos on them. So make sure the product images are as consistent as possible. It's going to help to make sure that your brand is more continuous throughout, and you're going to build a better brand and better reputation with your clients. So yeah, these aren't bad ads by any stretch of the imagination, but you're being a little bit lazy by not actually making them bespoke to the actual products that you were trying to sell. You're not calling out to a particular audience with these ad copies. So let's go back and let's have a look at what have we got here. Are these some videos? Okay. Fayaz, these are not adverts, but I presume you're going to use these as adverts. So we're going to look through these videos anyway. 5 common mistakes that can wreck your skin. Using face wipes. Okay, straight away, I can imagine that what this strategy is that you're going to be using. These are going to be used for building a reputation, building a value-based proposition. Okay, so you're going to be teaching people about their skin, and then you're going to be selling them with. I can imagine. What are these horrible clip arty looking things? Are they splodges of cream? They look like it's like if Nike had a love child with Nivea. I'm sorry. I get rid of that. And also there's way too much text on screen. Facebook have a rule that you can only have 20% text on your advert, so these won't actually get approved. I'm guessing these are all going to be value-based adverts. Yeah, what I would recommend you doing is checking out the Facebook ads video I've actually made on YouTube, checking out InVideo. InVideo is a really great tool which you can use to create really, really great adverts or any kind of video-based content. These look like they're made on Windows Movie Maker with a little bit of clip art. The text doesn't look great, so full transparency on this, they look very amateur. They don't have a very polished appeal. So go over to InVideo, use one of their templates, check that out, and also be mindful of the 20% ad rule. Now, or text rule, coming back to the actual strategy behind this. Now, I presume, as I said, that you're going to be using this. Okay, yeah, the top of the funnel. So the top of your funnel is going to be essentially teaching people about skincare, right? Skincare mistakes and why they need your products. You're then going to remarket them, presumably, the people that have actually watched these videos, and then you're going to be able to sell them the actual skincare products. The problem is you could do that in a better way. You could do that just by having the owner of the business or a customer talking through the actual product. You could have an influencer talking through the product. That's going to serve way more weight when you're running that advert to people, to your audience, than it is by having some clip-arty looking text-based advert, which, to be honest, not many people are going to read. So have a video and have that human interaction. People want to have human interaction with brands these days, okay? They don't want to have that standoffish relationship. So what else have we got here? I don't know what that one is. Okay, let's have a look. What we got? Latest video ad. Nice. Let's have a look. Get the life you always wanted. Is this an advert? Consult Gorgon's #1 tarot card reader. Okay, this is an interesting one. Tarot card reader, okay. Get the life you've always wanted. Let's have a look at the actual advert. Okay, again, you're going to struggle with this 20% ad roll, concerned with your career, relationship, health and finance. Okay, so this is about tarot cards. Again, people want, okay, so now you've got Anuak, who is sat behind this desk here with her tarot cards. Wouldn't it be so much better for her to be sat behind that desk with the tarot cards actually talking about the service or whatever it is she's offering? Now this, as far as I'm concerned, is one of those services, tarot cards. It's like a bit up with the fairies. Oh, I'm being called. Oh, has that just stopped recording? Damn you, Dan Reed. Sorry guys, someone called me. So yeah, just had to start re-recording. So let me just put my airplane mode on there so we don't have that issue again. Tarot cards is going to be one of them service people are actually skeptical about. So you want to have someone behind the camera explaining the service, letting them know they're just another human being and there's nothing to be afraid of. You also, the other issue is you can't ask people to tag their friends and family below. Okay, you can't engagement bait people on adverts, so you won't get away with that. So you want to change that for your actual ad itself. So let's go back to this and see what else we've got. Okay, I'm not going to be able to have airplane mode on because we're not going to actually be able to see anything. So let's have a look. Chris Harvey, what do we got? What have you sent me, Chris? Okay, we solve all. Same day screen repair, we've got you. Okay, Chris, you're a member of the Affluent Academy, and I can tell because you've done this right. Tension grabber here, same day screen repair, we've got you. Tension grabber, perfect. Free tempered glass protector or accessory bundle, all iPhone repairs, on all iPhone repairs. So that's the what. Take advantage of our exclusive call-out service for a quick turnaround or drop-off in-store and see a friendly face. Did you know we also repair laptops, consoles, tablets? Contact us for a tailored quote. Perfect ad copy. I'm not even going to bother critiquing that because, yeah, you've done a really great job, Chris, so well done on that. Jake Lopez, what we got? I can't log in to see that one. Alan, what did you send me? Creatives in the zip folder. Sorry, Alan, we're going to have to do that in the future. I can't have a look at zip folder because I won't be able to look at it all on my phone and access it. Jack, let's have a look. What do we got? TM Event Hire. Essex-based event equipment hire company specialising in Chinese hat, Pagolia-style marquee tents. Get in touch for a free quote / site visit. This is pretty self-explanatory. So on the contrary to what I already said about having to have those 5 things in your advert, Essex-based event equipment hire company, right? So that's your attention grabber. The one thing I would change about that is get in the marquee tents, the Pagolia-style marquee tents earlier on. So be like Essex-based Pagolia-style marquee tents, for example, as your attention grabber. And the rest of it is actually all right. Get in touch today for a free quote / site visit. It's pretty self-explanatory. We've got an image there showing very clearly what the actual product is. So yeah, there's no... The only thing I would add onto here is some kind of an offer, right? Some kind of a scarcity or a curiosity factor, or just let people know, just give them a reason to actually want to get these, right? Maybe highlight a couple of events that they could use them for, or let them know you've got a limited time offer on at the moment. Give somebody a reason to actually click through, okay? Because it doesn't matter who you're going to be advertising this to. The only people that are actually going to click on this at the moment are people that have an event running or have an event in the pipeline that they want one of these Pagolia tents for. So try and create the opportunity for people. Give them a reason to actually get one. Going back to this, we're going to make this the last one. We've got Jack Kennedy here, and we will go on the screenshot. So we have a 4-step home detox. Our 4-step home detox. That actually works as an attention grabber because a home detox, especially at the moment, is the type of thing that people want to do. Busy lifestyles and stressful environments can often have an impact on your natural beauty. Swiftly get back on track with our simple 4-step detox that you can easily practice at home. Like it. Oh, are we still recording? Yeah, we're still recording. Don't know why that was coming up. This is a really good copy. I can tell you've been watching my YouTube content as well, right? You've got the attention grabber, you've got the what and the why. It's straight to the point. The actual creative itself is really nice, and the image you've got going on there is nice. You could split test a video with this as well, somebody actually talking through the detox, maybe giving them a little bit of value on there, talking to them about how to actually detox or the science behind detoxification. So yeah, really, really good copy. So guys, I'm going to stop recording that right now. We're going to come back to the camera. So yeah, that's 10. I think 10 adverts we've just gone through there. We've totally winged it today. Hopefully we'll plan this more in the future. But if you have enjoyed this video, if you've enjoyed me critiquing people's Facebook ads, then please do let me know. Drop me down a comment below. Let me know if you want me to create more videos like this in the future. I can make sure that we do like a video series or something like that, so we can do this maybe once every couple of weeks or once a month, and then I can pick maybe 10 or 15 people at random from all of the emails I get. So what we will do, so we future-proof, if you want me to critique your Facebook ads for yourself or for your clients, send them over to hello@jordanplatten.com. Make sure the subject line is Facebook ad critique. That way I'll be able to filter all the emails easily. If not, I won't be able to locate your email. And I will make sure that if there's enough demand, if there's enough comments below, I will make another video like this again. I'll randomly select 10 to 15 people for the next video, and I'll critique those adverts, and we can make this like an ongoing thing. So you guys can learn about ad copy, you can learn about creative, and we'll touch on strategy sometimes as well. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this different style of content. Please do make sure you're subscribed with your notification bell turned on. As I said, we've hit 100,000 subs, which is incredible. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who are subscribed to this channel. And of course, I'm going to be announcing something massive very, very soon, which you are all going to love. So make sure your notification bell is turned on, and I will see you all very, very soon. Thank you so much, guys.